putting the wiring harnesses for the Android head unit together. Good evening, YouTube. It is 7:11 now in the evening on this Monday. It is Monday. This is, and it's hard to see because it's so small, but this is the 128 gigabyte SanDisk SD card that I bought and got that today in the mail. It's already loaded with music. There's 102 gigabytes of music on this, and it's ready to install into the radio once it is ready to be put in the car. Now, temporarily, I have that scheduled for tomorrow. I don't know how long I'm going to go with this Canon. I don't know how good the battery is or anything like that, so we'll go as long as we can. Here is the wires that we are working on. I have heat shrink tubing here from Sal's. I have some left over from my original stash of it. I may be using parts of that. I don't know. We'll see. But mainly, I just want to get these installed, or whatever you want to call it. And like I say, the soldering iron is heated up. It's ready to go. So I'm just going to basically kind of do this as quick as possible. Doing one at a time. As far as I'll probably start with this one. This is the one that's got the most stuff on it. Matching colors is basically how I'm doing it. You can see here on this sheet, if you want to look at that, there's your outline, or your legend, or whatever you want to call it, that tells what goes where and stuff like that. But it's just a way of matching colors. Really is all it is. It's all there is to it. This has got, I have gotten in a bad habit, and I think you guys are hearing it on the video, because I'm hearing it on the video. It's going I don't know why I'm doing that, but I just started doing it. Like I started to say, I think these are the backseat speakers. I'm not real certain, but if we look at the rear is green and purple, I believe. Where's the other? Yep, rear. Both the rears are green and purple, so those are the rear seat speakers, and that's all that's on this one. And so I may just go ahead and do this one first, and that just leaves the main harness and the front speakers. So let's get this done, and that's the important thing. I'm gonna sit you guys up now. You guys, at some point, you may go off, and if that happens, I'll probably come back with the Sony later on to sum it up. But we're just gonna sort of sit you up here in the corner and let you watch the fun. How's that? I think there's enough. I think you got enough room there to watch. Of course, it'd be my hand be in the way. Let's see if we can do this up above. Haven't done a shot like that for a while. I noticed, I believe Greg had a shot like that on his. Might have to loosen that up a little bit to do it, but let's see. Yeah, I see. I think you can see there. All right. Let's get this out of the way. There we go. Alright, there's our, like I say, that's our rear seat speakers. All ready to go. And are we still, yeah, we're still recording. Okie dokie. I'm going to try to get these off to their side here so that I don't get the rest of them all confused with it. Maybe get this one. I got to get this one undone from the red because I remember we twisted these together to test it out here in the bench. Get those ready to go. I think I can go here on the other side with the yellow one, like that. I think that will be a better situation. Like that. I feel like it's better. Okay, let's get some more. I started to say heat shield. Not really heat shield, is it? I don't know if I can make 2 out of that or not. What do y'all think? That's going to be kind of short if I try to make 2 out of it. I'm going to leave that just in case we need some longer. We've got more of that same size, so let's just make some more of them same length that we did before. Alright, back once again. It is 8:21 now. I have all of the joints made now, as you can see. There's the back speakers here on this one here. This is the front speakers and the power. All of them are soldered and heat shrinked. The 3 sticking up here are the ones that I do not use. One is entitled reverse in. The other one is key 1 5 volt. And that one is key 2 5 volt. So I'm sure those are something to do with sensing circuits. Maybe the CAN bus, I don't know. But they all have heat shrink on the end of them. And they already had the insulation on there. They were just, you know, where they split it. And I just put heat shrink over that. And that should take care of it. So that is ready to wire up on the car. Happy about that. And that will be done probably tomorrow. It's supposed to be up around 75, I believe. And I think that's going to be plenty warm enough for me to be out there. And that's the plan. I got to clean my mess up, and that's about it as far as doing anything in here. Well, I'm back once again. I seem to have run out of space on my card. Trying to get this camera adjusted on the Canon. So I'll have to switch from it to this to end this thing. Like I said, not really much more to say. Like I said, I'm going to clean my mess up. I'm going to, I've already got the soldering iron cleaned off and turned off. Heat gun is back in its holster. And I've been trying to kind of clean up the bench a little bit as I go here because it really had become messy. I got so many different things I want to do here. These, I know you guys haven't forgot about this, but these metal rods have got to be put up to where I can use my cameras on the meters over there. And that's a project that's upcoming. Still have to do the, what was it? The all-in-one radio analyzer that has to be done. So got a lot of projects in the thing. I've still got the Philco laying around here somewhere. It's actually out in the garage, but I'm going to get onto that here shortly as well. And just a lot of different things I need to be doing. So, and I've got this card. I almost forgot all about it. That's like I say, that's the one I've got to put in the radio. In fact, I think while I've got this out here, this would be a good time to make sure it fits. I think it would anyway. Let's see. I'm going to guess it goes in this way. I could be totally wrong. I'm not really crazy about the way that fits in there. If that's in there at all. Maybe I ought to hook this up and try it. But now that I have everything hooked up, I don't know that I want to go to all that trouble and do all that stuff. So, like I said, it didn't seem to go in there very good, and I really don't know how you'd even get it out of there. It seems to me like there should be a little catch in there. Maybe there is, maybe I just didn't push it down far enough. No, it doesn't seem to be. Huh. They usually have, oh, there it goes. I guess I did, maybe. It did pop back out at least. Let me see if I can get it out of here. Try putting it in the other way just in case. Might have been some kind of a mess up there. No, it doesn't fit in that way. I can definitely tell it doesn't fit that way. Now this is supposed to work with this size card, so I'm going to try doing it this way. You guys won't be able to see, but at least I will be able to. Oh, there it is. I got it clicked in now. It's clicked in there. It's just a matter of holding your mouth right, as they say. But that should be in there now, and that should be correct. We'll hope it is anyway. And I was hoping I'd get my little Dremel tools so I could try to maybe get that a little bit spaced a little bit better, but I guess I'll just have to live with it the way it is. It's not that bad. I know I was going on about it, but it's really not all that bad. And like I said, it's even up at the top pretty much. Yeah, it's even there. And it's just a little out the bottom. Like I said, you'll never see it. You know, in the car, you won't even notice it. You can see there's just a little bit more of a gap at the bottom over here than there is at the top. I think you can tell that. See, all that's black, and that has a lot to do with it also, because... But I can feel it with my fingernail. I can go all the way up there, and it seems like it's about even. So I don't know. Maybe it's my imagination. I don't know. I think it's okay. Like I said, it will do, and it will work. That's all I care about, really. I like it to look fairly nice. You know what I mean? But you know, that's pretty much it. Next thing to do is to plug in the this into here. There it goes at the top. Had a heck of a time plugging it in the first time, but I think since I plugged it in already, maybe it should go in a little easier this time. Yeah, there it goes. It's in there now. So that's all that. So the radio is ready to install. Like I said, I've got to do the GPS antenna, before I even put the radio in, see if I can get that fed through there like I need to do. And that will be tomorrow. I'll try to record as much as I can of that. No guarantees. I will be getting the Canon battery charged up. And like I think I told you, I think I mentioned it, I do have another battery coming for the Canon. So at least I'll be able to do... It seems like either the battery or the card fills up so fast. I'm gonna have to get at least a 16 gig card for it, and maybe go that route, because it you know, I like for them to be kind of equal. In other words, when the battery runs out, the card should be close to being full, you know, and things like that. So anywho, that's gonna do me. You guys have a pleasant evening. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I do appreciate all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers. I don't say that often enough, but I appreciate you guys. And, you know, it's nice to have somebody to talk to, especially during these times. You guys have a great night. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.